This is GHK-Cu Copper Peptide Face and Neck Serum, a 4% copper peptide serum with 1,200 milligrams of Copper Tripeptide-1. Basically, it's a tiny blue bottle for skin that's starting to look a little less smooth, a little less firm, and a little more ice-wood area, and you can definitely tell on my face. So, what is GHK-Cu? It's a copper peptide and naturally occurring compound that's been studied for its role in skin health and skin firmness. That's why people use it when their skin is starting to look softer in the wrong way. Less bounce, more texture, and you're starting to see those fine lines that shows a little bit more. This formula is made for the face, the neck, and the décolletage, because those areas tend to show changes in firmness and texture first, especially the neck. With consistent use, GHK-Cu helps support firmer looking skin and a smoother looking appearance, but most people actually do see the difference pretty fast. Here is how to use it. Start on a clean, dry skin, nothing else on it. Apply a few drops on your fingertips. You don't need to overdo it. This is a 4% copper peptide serum, so a little bit goes a very long way. Press and pat across your face, down the neck, and into your décolletage. When it's fully absorbed, it will take you 1 to 2 minutes, so don't apply anything else before you really feel like it's in the skin. If you are new to copper peptide, start once a day on a small area so you can see how your skin are reacting to it. Then build from here, using it in the morning and at night. Use it consistently and give your skin time to respond. GHK-Cu Copper Peptide Serum is for you if you dream about skin that looks a little more smooth, more firm, and more radiant.